Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on my Gucci small Dionysus shoulder bag. Before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Maria Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing and obsessed like I am, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. I'll give you guys a little review first. So this is the Gucci small Dionysus shoulder bag. That's what it's called on the website. This is the beige Supreme GG canvas. It is such a beautiful canvas, guys. I love it so much. I love how durable it is. I love how it has that little sturdy feeling. It just feels so well made, and I just love it so much. It is just stunning. It's eye-catching. Also features a little bit this also features a little bit of taupe suede, so that is a really beautiful touch to this bag and just makes it look luxurious when you add a little bit of suede. And now for the best part, this tiger closure is filled with diamonds. I just think it is so stunning, and it just glistens in the sun, and it's just beautiful. Even the eyes have little diamonds in it. Someone did comment on my video and saying they were Swarovski crystals. So yeah, that's what I meant to call it in the first place, crystals, not diamonds. I keep saying that, but they are crystals, and they have this little blue tint to it, and it just gives the bag such a beautiful glisten, and it's just, I have literally no words except it's stunning. Bag, how you open it, has a little button closure and opening, so that's how you open it and that's how you close it. This bag features suede on the sides as well, with this little glazing trim, as you guys can see. And then also on the outside, on the other side I meant, has a glaze as well, and it's just really pretty. Then on the bottom it has that glazing as well, again with the suede. And on the back side of this bag, it does have the GG Supreme canvas. Once again, talk about this strap now. So this strap is a like gunmetal material. It is thicker than the mini that I used to have of the Dionysus. I don't know how the other straps are for the bigger versions, but this definitely is thicker and so much more luxurious. It literally puts the bag together and it gives it such an edgy look. I just love it so much. And it is heavy duty, like it weighs quite a bit, but it's not like uncomfortably weighing heavy, if that makes sense, on your shoulder. So yeah, it just gives the bag such a bad kind of look. I don't know if you can see camera, but anyway, yeah, it gives it like an edgy kind of boss kind of look to it, and I love it, and I'm so into it. Okay, so now let's get into the inside of the handbag. When you open it up, like I said before, it has that button closure and opening, and as soon as you open up, it has this flap pocket where I love this pocket because you can fit stuff in it. And my super mini, what's it called? Yeah, the super mini, I couldn't fit anything in the pocket, and I'm so glad that you can fit stuff in this pocket. And it features that little suede again, and then it features the suede from the button, the closure, all the way to the bottom of the bag, as you guys can see. And on the sides it has again that GG Supreme canvas, and also on the bottom it features the canvas as well. And there's a little tag that says made in Italy right there. By the way, guys, I'm going to show you guys some mod shots at the end of the video, so do not worry. Also, I wanted to point out on my super mini Dionysus, I keep calling it super mini, it's the mini. Yeah, it's a mini Dionysus that I used to have, and this button always left a mark right here, and for this one it hasn't left a mark, which I'm super impressed about. I love that, because honestly, that did annoy me a little bit for my mini, that it would leave that circular mark. I don't know why, but it did. So I'm so happy that this bag hasn't left that mark, and I'm just over the moon about that. So yeah, that's the interior of the handbag. Now let's get into the pros and the cons of this amazing handbag. Oh, okay, before we start to get into the pros and cons, I forgot to mention the dimensions. So the dimensions of this bag, the height of the bag is 5.5 inches, and the width of the bag is 10 inches, and then the diameter of the bag is 3 inches. So it is a pretty good size bag, and I'm just so obsessed with this bag. I know I'm gonna say it over and over again in this video, but I truly am in love with this bag, guys. If you are thinking about this bag, you have to go try it in store if your stores are open yet. I know all malls here in Jersey open the 29th, so first thing I am going is going to the Shore Hills Mall, absolutely, and we'll be doing a shopping vlog for you guys, of course. But yeah, I cannot wait. But anyway, if you have a location Gucci and you're thinking about this bag, go try it on. You will fall in love. Let's get into the pros and cons. So my first pro to this handbag is it fits a lot. It fits all your essentials and some. This bag is wide, but can still consider it a mini bag, but it's because of its width, it is very good. It fits so much. So I really love that about this bag, is that you can fit all your essentials in there and some. So my second pro to this handbag is, you guys know I'm the versatile queen here, and I love a handbag that could be worn in different ways. So you could wear it crossbody, or you can wear it shoulder strap like this. And the way you wear it crossbody is you bring down this chain and it just sits right here. Some people do this that I've seen, this, so the chain doesn't hit the actual canvas, which is a pretty good idea. I think it's gonna give it a little more shorter kind of crossbody strap, but I mean, it's no big deal. And it actually works out if you want it to be a little bit shorter. So I love this strap because it is easy, it doesn't get stuck or anything. And also, if you have enough room in your bag, you can always, I've done this with my old Dionysus, stuff this strap like this right inside of the handbag. This is gonna look very confusing, but I promise it works. So you do that, you close it, you have like a little mini kind of clutch kind of style bag. So I really like how you can do this. Of course, you have to like play around with it more and make it comfortable and everything, but it definitely works, and it can also be worn like this, which is a plus for me. So my third pro to this bag is this little flat pocket right here. I can actually fit my phone in here, or you can fit some cards, and it's just so convenient to separate from the inside of your bag. So it gives you actually more room on the inside of the bag than putting your phone and also everything else. So I love how this features a pocket where you could put either your cards, and it's easy access if you want to put your cards here. I would just suggest putting things that are flat so it doesn't create like a bulge and just deform. So yeah, I love the aspect how you can fit your phone in here, and I do have the Samsung S10 Plus, so I will show you guys a demonstration. So this is my phone, I'm just sliding it in here, and voila, it fits perfectly, buttons, no problem, and it fits just perfect. It doesn't bulge or anything, so I really like how you can do that with this bag. My fourth pro to this bag is the crystals on the tiger heads. I just love that little touch of this handbag. It makes it so special and so unique, and it's just beautiful, and I love how they did it. They even put crystals on the eyes, and I just think it's so stunning. Like, look at that glisten in the sun, guys. Like, how can you not fall in love with this bag? So my fifth pro to this bag is the canvas. Mentioned before in the beginning of my video how much I love this canvas is because I really do. It is so durable. It doesn't scratch, or it's if it didn't have this suede, it could totally be weatherproof. I don't recommend wearing this in the rain. I did once and the suede did not get ruined, but I do not recommend, if it's pouring outside, do not wear this bag because of the suede. But if it were just the canvas, you would have no issues at all. It's like a coated kind of canvas, so you can just tell by feeling it. It is so durable and it won't scratch or anything. So I really love how they made this bag with this durable, sturdy material. My sixth pro to this bag is how secure the button closure and opening is. You cannot get inside of the bag unless you press that button, and I like how it's kind of hidden. Like, if you look at it head on, you can't see the button closure. So I mean, it's secure, and I mean, no one can get inside of your bag unless they directly look at the button on the side. So I really like that feature of this bag, and I love how it is closed right here so nothing can fall out of your handbags. My last pro to this handbag is this glazing right here. I love how it is thick enough where if I'm setting my bag down, it protects the suede. So the suede does not touch the like counter or whatever you're placing this bag. It doesn't touch the surface. So I love how this glazing protects not only the canvas, but it protects it from when you are setting it down on a table or something. So I really like that little detail. So now we're gonna get into the cons of this handbag. I've only found two, but they're not like major where it's gonna make me unlove this bag or hate this bag. So yeah, my first con to this bag is the suede part of it, because I don't know, I love the suede. It makes the bag look luxurious, it makes it look expensive, it just gives it a stunning look to it, but I just worry about it sometimes. Also the interior. So the interior, as you guys saw when I showed you guys, it is also suede all throughout except the sides and the bottom. But if you bring your makeup in here, I would be very careful. I actually wouldn't suggest you bringing your makeup in this bag unless it's in like a different pouch, and then putting it in this bag. But I wouldn't put any lipstick or anything that can leak, especially like pens or hand sanitizers. Do not put it in this bag because it will potentially leak and it will stain the suede. So that is just my suggestion. I'm not telling you guys what to do. You can put whatever you want in your bags, but I'm just telling you guys as a precaution, don't put anything in this bag that is gonna leak, because the suede will be ruined. And I don't know, that's just sad to me. This bag is not cheap, so I just am telling you guys, I'm letting you guys know, be careful. So my last con to this handbag, which isn't a big deal at all, but it could be a it could be a con to some people, and that is how the strap is not removable. Some people might prefer to have their straps be removable, because if you were to remove this strap, you could wear this as a clutch, but you can't. But that's why I showed you guys the way. If you stuff the strap, one of the straps in here, then you can carry it as a little clutch and be really cute. But yeah, that's a slight downfall. It's not that big of a deal. I love how the strap is made, and it's just perfect. So it's not gonna make me like hate this bag or dislike it a little bit. It's just for the people that are looking for a handbag that you can remove the strap. You can't with this bag, but I mean, everything else about this bag overrides that little con. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. So that is my little review today for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any further questions or any video suggestions, leave them down in the comments, or you can always Instagram me, DM me. I will put my name on the screen. Please go follow me. I've been so active, putting a ton of pictures of my handbags and just really putting effort towards my Instagram. I love it, and I feel so happy when I talk to you guys, and when you comment on my pictures, it makes me so happy, and I'm so grateful for you guys. You guys are always so sweet, and I always say this in my videos, but I truly love you guys. You guys are the best, and I just always appreciate your kind words and your support. It just means the world to me, so thank you very much. But I also wanted to mention that I'm doing a giveaway on my Instagram. I am giving away the Louis Vuitton key pouch, a very rare piece, but I am in love with it. It's my best and my favorite SLG ever, so I'm giving you guys one away. I wish I can give you guys, each one of you guys, one, but I can't. But yeah, if you want a chance to win the LV key pouch, please go on my post on my Instagram for a chance to win. Please do so. I greatly appreciate it, and thank you for your support on that. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.